Very good afternoon, student. Today I am going to start with another chapter, that is revenue analysis. In your book, the chapter is 6. Now, previously I have discussed about the cost. Cost means the expenditure which is required or which is incurred by the company in order to produce 1 unit of output or total unit of output. Now the question is that why the company needs cost? When company needs cost? At the time of production. What is the purpose or what is the motto of the production? The motto of the production is to sell the product. Clear? Now I have to give two concepts. One is the concept of cost price, that is CP. Another concept is called the cost, that is SP. That is called selling price. So we are having each and every entrepreneur or firm should have two types of cost. One is called CP, that is the cost price. Another one is called SP, that is the selling price. Now what is the motive of selling of output? Answer is to achieve profit. Now what is this profit? The profit is the difference between the selling price and the cost price. So if from the selling price, cost price will be subtracted, then what will come? That is called profit or the supply. Why is profit needed? Profit is needed because for running the business. Moreover, the entrepreneur or the firm is taking all the risk, and as a reward they have to get something. What is that? That is profit. Now I am talking about what is TR, total revenue. Total revenue means when the firm is producing the product. Suppose firm has produced 100 units of output, but it is not guaranteed that firm will be able to sell out almost all the output. Out of 100 units, suppose the firm is selling 80 units of output, and the cost price of the firm for producing 1 unit of product is suppose 8. So what do you think? The firm will sell the product at 8? No. The answer will be no. It should be above 8. Now it can be giving the option, it can be 9, it can be 10, it can be 11 also, depending on the demand of the product. So what will be the market price or the selling price of the product? It mainly depends on the demand of the product. The product which has more demand, their price will be more, and the product which has a mediocre or normal demand, that is normal commodity, their price is moderate. Clear? So what is selling price? Selling price means when the firm is selling the output, at what price the firm is selling, that is called selling price. Now if we will multiply the selling price of the product into the quantity of output sold, that is here our 80 units, and the price per unit suppose 10. So what is our tier total revenue? Very easy to calculate. 80 into 10, that is 800. So 800 is called the TR or the total revenue of the company. Okay, now I am asking one question. Can this TR be negative or it can be 0? What will be the answer? The TR can be 0. Can it be 0? Yes, it can be 0. The TR can be 0 when there is no selling. Yes, when the firm is not selling any output, so what will be the TR? The TR will be 0. But be careful, the TR cannot be negative. TR can fall. When the firm will see the firm's total revenue is falling down by selling additional unit of output, then what will firm do? Will firm continue with this process? No, the firm will what? Firm will not sell the product. It will stop selling the product. So be careful, the TR cannot be negative. Okay. Another concept I am giving, that is called AR, that is average revenue or unit unit revenue that the firm has earned by selling 1 unit of output. It is an average concept of revenue. So, as tier cannot be negative total revenue, here being the average of tier, it cannot be negative. It can fall. When tier falls, then what will happen? Average revenue will fall, means when the firm will go for further selling of output, the firm will not get more revenue. The revenue earning capacity of the firm will fall. Okay, when a product if a product loses its demand in the market, then what will happen? It may have falling tier and AR. Okay, so if I will ask what is AR, so AR is TR divided by Q, means what? Total revenue divided by total output. Now I am breaking tier. How can I write tier? Tier is price, selling price per unit into quantity of output sold divided by Q. Cancel, you will see this is P. So always remember the value of average revenue AR must be equal to P, whatever the nature of the market. It can be perfect competition, it can be monopoly, it can be oligopoly, whatever the kind of the market, whatever the nature of the product, the average revenue should be equal to the selling price of the product. It should be. Next concept is marginal revenue. We have done in class 11 also. What is marginal revenue? It is nothing but delta tier by delta Q. Means change in total revenue due to 1 extra unit of output sold. So we can say MR means change in total output, that is delta tier. Why? Due to 1 unit of additional output sold, that is delta Q. Clear? So we have got 3 concepts. One is TR, one is AR, and one is AR. So what is, see here I have written, what is tier? Tier means the total in revenue earned by the firm by selling of output. TR can be written as P into Q. What is AR? Marginal average revenue. It is the per unit revenue earned by the firm by selling 1 unit of output. So it is an average measure. AR cannot be negative as TR cannot be negative. What is MR? See, change in total cost due to 1 additional unit of output sold. So MR can be written as delta TR by delta Q. Thank you.